So, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to tell you.
Okay.
And please let me know about yourself because this is a first meeting. So, please can you give me some introduction?
Yes, yes. My name is Abdul Sheikh.
Okay.
I live in Mumbai. I live in Mumbai.
Okay,
And
nice.
about my qualification, I have completed only 10th class. After that, I left because some family and financial problem.
Okay.
Uh, Nowadays, I am working. I am a tailor. I am a tailor. I stitch pant and
Okay.
and as well as I am a part-time delivery boy.
Okay, nice. That's good. So, please let me know why are you learning English?
Because I am passionate this language since childhood. But that time did not environment. Then I couldn't learn English that time. Nowadays is lots of environments. That's I thought let should I learn. That's
Okay,
why I'm
nice.
learning English.
Okay,
And
nice. That's good.
English is very important nowadays.
Yes, you are right. Yeah.
If
Because
if
when
you
you
know
get the better job, so I think provided you learn very well as a English.
yes, yes, yes. You know English, you go anywhere, you can connect easily with other person.
Yes, you are
And
right.
I want to teach to children in future when I will be become fluent in English.
Okay. Do
This
you
is
have
my
any YouTube channel?
no. I haven't a YouTube channel.
Okay, okay, nice. So I would like to tell you about myself. My name is Rajni and I am from Himachal Pradesh as well. I am YouTuber and housewife. This times I am learning English. I as far as education is my concern, I have completed MCOM. So that's it about me.
Yeah. I know him. I know because I have been watching your videos for 1 month.
Okay,
I
nice.
I I am your subscriber.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Nice.
Uh,
Yeah.
since since I was thinking that I am talking to you, but sometime some reason I am busy. That's why I
Okay.
couldn't talk to you.
Okay, okay.
Yes, yes,
So yeah, yeah, because how do you manage the time as well speaking English as your work?
yes, sir. Because nowadays I am working in the delivery job.
Okay,
I 10 to 6 p.m. I
okay,
go to 10 a.m. and 6 p.m.
okay,
and I practice in the night. Whenever I free, I practice in. I watch some video YouTube like
okay.
conversation videos and
Yes,
grammar videos, and I use one app, Hybro app. You know Hybro app,
yes, of course I know.
audio calls, only audio call. Whenever I get time, I do practice in Hybro app. And
Okay,
this is my first video call with you.
okay. I think this is your first video.
Yes, this is my first video call with you.
Okay, nice. Okay. I think this is a very good for me
No,
because you are taking first video with me.
yes, I was
Yes, okay.
thinking about that time. I was thinking I want to talk anyone, but I haven't confidence.
Okay.
That's
Actually,
why
yeah. Yes, because I want to tell you, I am not perfect. I am not up to the mark. I am also learner, but because when you start speak with other person in English, so that time you have a confidence a lot.
yes.
So because without confidence you can't speak English, and this times I know because when I speak with other person, so that time I make lots of mistake, but I have a full confidence. Yeah,
Yes,
because
yes.
I can handle
Because
every situation. Yeah.
you when you start your journey, ma'am.
Actually, I have been starting my YouTube channels for couple of years as well. My learning journey both.
Okay. I
Yes.
started my journey 4 months ago on
Okay,
YouTube
4 months. Okay, nice. So you can speak English well. You are speaking well.
because whenever I free, I do practice.
Yeah,
I
I think
already
practice
told.
is very necessary. Yeah, because when you get achieve your goal, so without practice, without hard work, you can't achieve your goal. So practice is very necessary.
Yeah, yeah. I have some facing some issue. Can
Okay.
you give me suggestion? I tell you. Whenever I talk to someone, I get stuck while speaking. I forget some words.
Okay, yeah, actually, this problems every person have a problem because this times I am facing this problem also, and initially day it happens, because when you start speak with other person, so please don't think about anything in your mind and only express your feeling because
Okay.
when you try to speak directly and without thinking because these times I am facing problem because when I speak so that times I think lots of stuff in my mind and then I get confused. So I think
Okay.
this is a very wrong thing, and you should only speaking with other person and only practice. Why practice it? Because by why practicing you can perfect in English, according to
Yes.
me,
Yes.
as far as I know. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So only
Yeah. Yeah.
practice.
Whenever I free, I do practice in audio call. But
Okay. Yeah.
uh, after this session, I will try to other connect person in
Okay.
video
Yes.
call.
Yes. Yes.
So
I
this
think
is
this is
the
a
first
very good.
video call.
Yes, this is a very good platform for them who don't have any partner. So I think this is a very good. Actually, when I started learning English, so that times I talked with the help of audio
Yes.
call,
Yes.
and yeah.
Is facing I am issue. That's I couldn't
Okay,
speak
it's okay. Don't
to
worry.
other
Yeah,
person.
so don't worry. Yeah. So, do you have any question related to speaking any topic?
No, no. I have topic, but I begin because I am beginner, so that's I can't
It's okay.
explain
Don't
to
worry.
you.
No, don't worry. I am also beginner. I am learner. I am learning English, and you can put the question in front of me. It's okay. Don't worry. It doesn't matter.
You ask me question, ma'am. You
Okay.
ask
So
me
please,
question.
yes. So I think, yeah. I don't have any question. So can we have rapid fire each other?
Okay, okay. I will try.
Yes. Okay. So let's start. Okay. मेरे पास किताब है.
I have books. I have book.
ओके, क्या आपके पास किताब है?
Do you have book?
ओके, मुझे पीटा जाता है, मुझे रोज पीटा जाता है.
Uh, I can't.
I think this is a passive, and when you because when you are a receiver, when you are
Mm,
receivers,
mm,
because when you
yes.
are receivers not giver, because when I use active sentence, so that times I use because that times you are doing any work, as that time you are doer, I think doer. Because when I receive anything, because this times मुझे पीटा जाता है, because आप नहीं पीट रहे, आपको पीटा जाता है. So that time I use I मुझे पीटा जाता है, I am bitten.
I
I
am
am
bitten.
yes, I am bitten. मुझे पढ़ाया जा मुझे not मुझे बच्चों को पढ़ाया जा रहा है. Because बच्चे रिसीवर है, बच्चों को पढ़ाया जा रहा है by another. So that
Uh,
time I use बच्चों को पढ़ाया जा रहा है. Children are being taught.
children are will talk.
So yes. Actually, because when you start speaking in initially days, so you should only passive and active.
Okay.
पैसिव हम उसे बोलते हैं जब हम कोई रिसीव करते हैं ना, जैसे कि हमें मारा जाता है, हमें हमें गिफ्ट दिया जाता है, मैंने बिकॉज काइंड ऑफ
I heard active and passive voice, but I didn't knowledge anything.
ओके
Active
नो
voice, passive voice.
ओके actually when you want to be fluent in English, so you should learn passive active.
Okay, okay. I will try. I will try. I will learn.
Yes, yes. So do you know Chandan Singh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I saw Chandan Singh video.
Yeah, watch the Chandan Singh's video.
Okay. Like a
And
rapid fire.
definitely, yes, that video will be helpful for you.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
I will
because
watch.
it's know how to use, because her style is very good. Because
Okay.
he knows very well how to express, how to understand to children, to students.
I saw Chandan Singh video, but there is one problem. There is lots of sentences continuously speak. Then I can't remember.
Okay, no, actually, he speaks very politely and very calm.